Yo, what's good YouTube gang? Yo, Dan Mafia right now, me not lie, it's about like what 5 a.m. in the morning. You see me and you don't know, say yo, Stefflon just replied to Jada, you know man. And you don't know, me have to catch it for you know live, you know, on the bullet tweet. Live on the preview, me have to get it for Dan Mafia. I don't know if you do a little thing live and direct, man. I'm not lie, you know man. Right now, the chat going crazy as you see, yo. Your shit look like you go crazy, man. I feel react to it right now, gang. You see me and say, we'll jump right now, that Mafia. Yo, Steph, you have to come good now, cause Jada, they do our thing on the last one, so you have to come good, Steph. You see me and say, cause let me and say, gang, you can see right now, we catch you live on the premiere. And you see me, the chat going crazy. So I have to jump right now and see what going on, man. Yeah, man, right now, Stefflon done. Dead girl walking. Oh.
You is a dead girl walking. Me no beat round bush one, buck up on the main and show the world how me brawl. Just a chat off your mouth with the glove.
Walk clean, sit here, you know, gang. Yeah, man, officially a kick off, you know, man. Run one.
Me no do Instagram, badness talk. Oh, you're a little star. You're not ready yet for the top girl war. Me have 2 old nuclear in my yard.
Bah, Jada, she say, not ready for the top girl war, you know, man. Now, I go and Jada, I go take that. Yeah.
I'm a bright, yes, and bomb you from far. Me a killer girl, left a girl in a blood bath. Binds pon binds, me shut out them out. Send the cemetery, everybody bar.
Oh my gosh, this flow is crazy.
Then some else and some go me God. Rifle clip your trip, you bust your head. Which girl fi beat me, bitch, you lick your head. Was it the go up where you take?
Chip. Which girl fi beat me, bitch, you lick your head? You
for clip your trip, you bust your head. Which girl fi beat me, bitch, you lick your head. Was it the go up where you taking on your nose? Make you forget your bodies. Me kill you on the 10 man, you fuck for 10 grand.
How we the bumbo? I must see the coke you take, make you forget your bodies. Me kill you and the 10 man you fuck for 10 grand. Oh gosh, no man, this, oh god, no.
Don't never fuck wrong with the dad. This never over no man, but the post for your post on your gram, you dirty gal.
I early morning now to bumbo. Hey. Hey, you're not gonna make me weak. Hey, yo. My girl, I don't know over no man thing, you know, they over the post on the gram, you know, the TV. Hey, yo, now I see up your ass, I make you know, you know, so all I say a man thing is, hey. That's circle right there, so you know.
Kingstonian, them girl are salty like sodium. When me a step on them.
Wait, she said about Kingston. Wait. No, I hear her go.
Never over no man, but the post for your post on your gram, you dirty girl. And me no half-breed, he's a Kingstonian. Them girl are salty like sodium.
She me an half-breed. It's all that half-breed. Hey, she said she a real Queenstonian. You see me and say, I want to them girl salty like sodium. I want to go on, Jada, you salty, I want to go on.
Me a step on a mission, me never itch me up. Popcorn like me name Tony. I want them, coming like nobody no inform them. They gun them, stack up me kill, girl fi fun. Has them.
Yeah. She said, she not come, she not play thing. Yes, she popcorn like Tony, you know, man. You see me and say, yo, hey.
Coming like nobody no inform them. Me gun them, stack up me kill, girl fi fun. As them go talk, me go down a clip on them. Tell you some more pussy.
Yo, she say I want to them. Nobody never inform them. Me kill girl for fun. Jada, you ain't here. Hey, she say yeah, play. You shouldn't do the. Hey, and then me say, you know Jada, big up yourself still. You see me and say.
See that your body boyfriend.
Man say you're so pussy. Hey, Jada. Oh God.
On them, tell you suck more pussy than your body boyfriend. Your pussy cheap, anybody coulda rent that. I never make another do shoulda get shot.
Hey, no sir. Hey, y'all say your pussy cheap, my girl. I gotta take that, Jada. Man say I never make gun. I shoulda you shoulda get the shot. Hey, that's crazy. Hey, I wonder if you gonna say I make another blood please Steph collab. That would, hey, whoa, hey. I'm gonna need my 10%. That's all I'm saying.
Run up on a talk about pedophile, and you make a 17-year-old breed you, and you did that drive for.
gosh. Oh gosh. You talk about pedophile, you make a 17-year-old breed. Oh God. Oh God. Oh man. Another she say. I'm me imagine.
About pedophile, and you make a 17-year-old breed you. And you did that.
No man, they want to depend on wax, man. They want to depend on the internet, man. They want to. Oh gosh.
Try fuck me.
File run. Hey, early man, more baby.
Party man cousin. How much pussy you suck for that dozen? Your mother should have swallowed that sperm. Party soon I go learn. Remember when my brother.
Man say yo, want a pussy you suck. About all those, your mama should have swallowed that sperm. Party I go learn. Hey, yo, hey. Stefflon no come for play, man. Steph don't come for play, me nah lie.
It's a little powder. Then you pop Molly, mix it with a little soda. Stink pussy, girl, you have a little order. Me ear say you fuck the dread boy, saucer. Bang bang.
Early morning. You know, hey, I don't think, hey, why you drop this so early in the morning, Steph, bro? You see me, we need to wake up with God in our heart. Why you do this to it? Jeez, I'll chief keep your peace. And I say, boy, me say, oh, that's hosa. Bang, bang, you know, say that, hey,
girl,
no,
you have a little order. Me ear say you fuck the dread boy, saucer. Bang bang. Oh, you never in a blog for your music. All the time you in a blog is when you suck dick. Oh, you send for the.
I know say somebody that talk about this on the podcast, or do you watch the podcast? Somebody say, yo, you're never in a blog for your music. The only time in a blog are when you ask. Yo, hey, the warrior man.
Done and you know
Me no want hear no more man DJ for your side here. Hold on, lock off. No move up. Me no want hear nothing. Yo, Stefan Jada, miss. Yeah, yo,
it's
hey.
the man tell me say you love drink, piss, half a millipon, my wrist.
Alright, jeez, I'm tired of pause it too now. Jeez, I'm shut up. Yo, can't I chew in a man? Can't I chew in a man like my call fall, you know? Hey, yo, jeez.
When you know go bad, just and you so touch, dick. One get 2 bucks and talk which cooling on. The killer them in a day back from Mickey Uzi bang. 50 caliber chop you up so the bullet down.
Oh my God, yo, the Steph Chick, you know. Steph Chick, you know. No feel the song where she premiere. And that shit, hey.
Hey, girl, you are like a eye. Look how long you a power with foot a hype and can't fully but Jada, you a traitor.
Look how long you a power with foot a hype and you can't fully budge. Hey, Jada. Oh gosh, yo.
You got my reverse Simmons just for your papers. You dead. You are dead.
Go mad. Wait, where dog them? For your papers? Are that going?
Talk, pussy Jada. You a traitor. You are the biggest embarrassment to Jamaica.
Yeah, me, I biggest embarrassment to Jamaica. Jeez and peace. And that she say?
You are dead. You was a dead girl walking. Me no beat round bush one, buck up on the main and show the world how me brand.
Yeah.
Just a chat off.
No beat on bush, you know. She say, yo, more book you on the lane for sure earlier. I'm really bad. See the box there? I really hey, she a go box lunch yo. She a go punch up like a peanut. Hey.
Your mouth for the clout. Me no do it.
I don't be say so that dog. Yo, Jada, the wire nice man. Yo, the wire nice man.
Instagram on this tall, you're a little star. You're not ready yet for the top girl war. They have to all know.
Like how Stefflon approach you like a man with a DJ on a track. You see me and say she not too. Hey!
Clear na me yard, me with an upright, yes, and bomb you from far.
Like bad girl, so bad girl feel. You know what I'm saying? Not too much of it, you know?
The truth is, I'm feeling sorry for Paul's son. Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom. Ew.
Hold on, pull up the one that coming out. Me no want weird.
Well, no clear na me yard, me with an upright, yes, and bomb you from far. The truth is, I'm feeling sorry for Paul's son. Imagine saying Jada Kingdom is your baby mom.
Jesus Christ, dog. Oh gosh. Me tell you, you know, Jada, if you don't want your relationship mash up, love the warrior alone. You see me and say, hey, yo, you know, see your party take on yourself and blood clean, Megan. You know, oh gosh, man, them file, hey, Jesus, yo, she say, yo, party. The only thing me feel for a party. You see me, man, she said, Jada Kingdom, I your baby, man. Jesus, peace. Oh gosh.
You dirty bitch. Fucking people I didn't even think that you could even get in contact with. Like, why are you doing that? I wouldn't think that. She started fucking, I started bringing her around, started fucking my gay brother. He said, you got me.
What? Weird. All about him and Jada. No, man. Oh, that part weird. We got no man. The match now, months. I want to go on.
On the drugs. Jada literally put this little boy on drugs. One time, and the boy was like literally like damn near finna jump on my leg for help. Like he was like, this bitch gave me something. Like
what? Weird.
Literally
What?
telling me like, yo, bro, I really ran out the hotel in my boxes. No pussy test, anything or anything.
I want the bomb. I want me just see you. No, man. My ears are full, me, man. Come on. We can't wait. Call the mats in the mats, man.
Why are you doing that? I wouldn't think that. She started fucking, I started bringing her around, started fucking my gay brother.
Gay brother, all the. Jada, I'm a vex with Jada. One time, Jada, me the, hey, no, man. No.
He said you got me hooked on the drugs. Jada literally put this little boy on drugs. One time, and the boy was like literally like damn near finna jump on my leg for help. Like he was like, this bitch gave me something. Like literally.
What the?
Telling me like, yo, bro, I really ran out the hotel in my boxes. No pussy test, anything or anything.
Tease and peace, yo, gang. Yo, that's sad. Yo, early morning. Steph, I saw you yo. Probably. Yeah, man. First thing for that man, I murder Jada Bombo. Hey, yo, I want go on. Yo, gang. Who not have to make me know anything about that one day? That's serious, man. Bombo. Hey. Yo, yeah, man. Me like, hey, yo, Steph did not come to play. You see me and say, yeah, man, she attack you like a real bad girl, man. You see me and say, she come in serious, wicked lyrics, styling, tracing. Nah, see a dirty girl. You see me and say, when I pick the side, you see me and say, gang, let me know who now bring in the war. Is it Steph? Is it Jada? Yo, who do think I lead so far? Cause yo, this is crazy, man. The wire nice. I like you tune them when them fling, man. Them fling some real hard can over here, man. You see me and say, I fling some can out of this bumbo cleat, man. If you don't mind, all your face get shut off. Hey, stay inside, guys. The streets is hot, right? Me not lie, yo, this going crazy. Me know the woman them I love this. You see me and say, me know the woman them is enjoying this work. You know, say the man, the man them a DJ and the man a war. You know, me know say they enjoy that too. You know, say them a enjoy. See them feed them little combolos going at it now. You see, you see, yeah man, yo. Alright, nice thing. Like how the woman them a deal with it. They not deal with it too Tracy when the man them can't listen and enjoy. You see me and say. But them a choke on, man. Yeah, man. Them a answer, but I don't think I say I'm girl upon the woman, man. You know, his son no shine and sitting, man. You see me? Hey, Steph did her thing, bro. But that, yo, Jada did the argument there, man. They shouldn't come the one, man. They want the hot. They want the hot, man. They want them in there. Expect the one, man. I say, yo, people, me don't talk. Me know what you no think. You see me, I say with them, me in the comment section. I chat to. You see me? Next time, I don't know about Jambisco. Gang.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a Shoutouts selector.